In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Canva Pro subscription and use free trial. The first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Canva account on your device. Log into your Canva account and click on your profile icon, which you'll usually find at the top right of your screen. And here, go ahead and click on this plans and pricing button and open that with your browser. Since you cannot change your subscription on the pricing section, you can go ahead and head over into your settings and click on billing on the left side menu of your settings. Now in here, go ahead and cancel your subscription to the Canva Pro that you have for your account. Then go ahead and head over into the plans and subscription all over again and go ahead and use the free trial for new users offered by Canva to your account. You can access premium features like background remover, brand kits, and premium templates. To start the free trial, go ahead and select start free trial and then set up your payment method for this, and make sure to cancel before the trial ends to avoid charges. And that's basically how you can cancel Canva Pro subscription and use free trial. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.